So today I'm testing out the EGO blower. This is the 530 cubic feet model. It has a 2.5 amp hour 56 volt battery. It's rated at 140 watt hours. So it's fully charged. We're going to give it a go and we're going to test this out blowing a whole yard of mulch. This is mainly tree trimmings. From a few years ago, it was just in a pile, so I spread it all out, and we're going to give it a go. See how far it gets blowing out off the edge. There's one thing I like about this blower, and that is how the air comes in. It doesn't suck in your clothes. The controls are here for speed. You got low all the way up to high, and then you got a turbo button. The button here is just a switch on off. All the speed is done by adjusting this knob at the end. There's nothing to keep it running. If you want to have the button held down for you, you just gotta hold it yourself. There's no cruise control, I'd say. So there's one more thing. The motor in here, fan just centered in the unit, and I'll show you the speeds here. This would be slow. Then we'll crank it up slowly. Then we can do turbo. You gotta hold it down here and then that'll be turbo. So I'm gonna do most of this just at the high mode, and I'll hit turbo here and there to get some of the heavy stuff moving. So let's give this a try. That's it. It's fully discharged. Blinking red. Probably got about 3/4 of it cleaned up, blown off. Take a look here. There's about a quarter left here to do. And the battery's out of juice. So this little EGO blower did pretty good blowing that mulch. It did the 3/4 yard of mulch on one charge. They do have a bigger brother of this guy, and they do have bigger batteries, but that's quite a lot of material to blow with a little blower like this. Super lightweight. One thing could be better is this is just a switch on off, and you have to adjust the speed here. I kind of prefer to have fine control on the throttle, but I do like the turbo button. And there's no way to keep the throttle going. You have to hold it. There's no like cruise control type function on it. But other than that, it's definitely a nice solid blower to use around the house. The best thing about these is blow off the patio, sidewalk, and you don't have to deal with starting it, you don't have to do anything with gas, you don't smell like gas when you're done. Just go out there, do your work, a few minutes, come back in, go on with your day. I'll show you the charger here. It's nice. This comes with a pretty fast charger. It will charge us in about 45 minutes from completely flat to fully charged. Has a built-in fan to keep the battery cool while charging. And you got the status light here. It will blink and then go solid green once it's done. But that's the EGO blower.